Okay, right now you see I have the whole thing. I've just added in the total, and let me make it bold. I would also want to add in the average, how much average time I spend on each. I just go to auto sum here, but click on average, enter. Okay, there's too many decimal points, so I'll just reduce them to 1 decimal point is good enough. Alright. Now I will want to compare this value with my averages. So this one should come up to 24 hours true. Let me just insert one line here to make it look better. Make it bold. Okay, now I want to compare them with my estimated time. What I do is I select an active cell, type in the equal sign, go to the place where I want to select the average. So it's saying here that it's taking from the sheet estimation 2 in my case, and the cell I2, compare the value with. And I will press enter. Now you see the value coming down, and I'll just drag everything, decreasing it. What you see here is this is called relative referencing. So my J52 is referring to I2. My J53 is referring to I3. Escape. And J54 is referring to I4. If you check up, these are the values: 2.3, 1.9, 0.8, 1.5, 3.6, 7.0, 7.0. I'm just going to put estimation here. Next, we will compare the value. I'm going to introduce to you a if function. Let's go to formula, insert function, and if. Here you see if we test a logical test, value, what happens if it's true and what happens if it's false. I'm just going to select this. My logical test would be, is my average more than my estimation? Well, if it's more, I can say average is more. If it's less, then I will say average is less. Okay. And I'll just drag it down here, and you will see a comparison happening. So I sleep more than I estimated, and I eat more than I estimated. Now, this is not very helpful. I only know that it's more or less. So what can I do with, maybe it would be more helpful for me to show the value. Now, I say if it's more, then I will do this one, minus away with estimation. Okay, you see I52 minus away J52. And I would do the same thing even if I just key in I52 minus J52. Meaning if it's less, also you display the difference. Now, what happens here is you can see, let me just change the decimal point again. You can see that for these 3 items, I spend less hours. I thought I spent more hours on housework, but actually I spend less hours on housework. So I have the difference here. To highlight this information, I can use conditional formatting. I can create rules. Here there are different rules that you can create. I will say if the value is greater than 0, let me format it to have it filled with green, blue. Okay, blue, nice. Now, or if it's lesser less than 0, then I will format it to pink. Okay, so you see right here, maybe I would just over here, if it's less than 0, it's in pink color, meaning bad estimation. Blue color means average is more than estimation, and no color means it's good. Maybe I would want to change this to say, if it's equal to 0, I would have it as green color. Great, splendid estimation. If I come back and I select this, go back to conditional formatting and manage rules, I will see that I actually have three rules here. Cell value more than 0, put blue color, cell less than 0, put pink color, and cell equals to 0 is green color. Well, that's it for today. We've learned how to do referencing, mixed referencing, relative referencing, if statement, and conditional formatting. All the best!